Welcome back to the luxury RoadLife Motors. When you step into a Lamborghini, you're stepping into a world of power, precision, and pure Italian engineering. But there are some things that absolutely don't belong in a supercar worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. Today, we're breaking down 20 things that should never be inside a Lamborghini, and some of these might surprise you. Number 1. Cheap air fresheners. A Lamborghini's interior is crafted with premium Alcantara and Italian leather. Adding cheap scents destroys the luxury experience. Number 2. Heavy gadgets and accessories. Supercars rely on perfect weight distribution. Extra gadgets add weight that can affect performance. Number 3. Fast food bags and drinks. Grease, spills, and smells have no place inside a hand-stitched Italian interior. Number 4. Hanging dashboard decorations. These distract the driver and ruin the clean, pure aesthetic Lamborghini is known for. Number 5. Low-quality seat covers. Lamborghini seats are engineered for support and style. Cheap covers hide the craftsmanship and reduce comfort. Number 6. Extra floor mats. Heavy mats interfere with pedals and can be dangerous during high-speed driving. Number 7. Random tools or hardware. Loose items can roll under the pedals, one of the biggest safety risks in a supercar. Number 8. Aftermarket LED strips. They cheapen the look and clash with Lamborghini's design philosophy. Number 9. Low-grade phone holders. A $300,000 supercar with a $5 phone holder. It ruins the luxury look instantly. Number 10. Pets without protection covers. Pet hair, scratches, and dirt can permanently damage premium materials. Number 11. Unapproved cleaning chemicals. Lambo interiors require specific leather and Alcantara cleaners. Cheap chemical sprays can leave stains. Number 12. Metal water bottles loose in the car. Under acceleration, they become dangerous projectiles and can damage the interior. Number 13. Bumper stickers or interior stickers. Lamborghini is art. Stickers break the clean, exotic design language. Number 14. Extra speakers or subwoofers. Modifying the sound system adds weight and ruins the acoustic tuning designed by Lamborghini engineers. Number 15. Extra dash cameras everywhere. One sleek cam is okay, but multiple suction-mounted cameras ruin visibility and the premium aesthetic. Number 16. Perfume bottles rolling around. Glass bottles can break or scratch the Alcantara and panels. Number 17. Clothing, jackets, or bags thrown on seats. Heavy items damage the leather and create wrinkles over time. Number 18. Cigarettes or smoking accessories. Smoke absorbs into premium leather and permanently ruins the luxury feel. Number 19. Random charging cables. Messy cables take away from the minimalist, futuristic Lamborghini cockpit design. Last number is anything that adds clutter. A Lamborghini is built for perfection, clean, simple, powerful. Anything unnecessary inside disrupts the experience